Harmless to people, pets and birds, Bird-Free Fire Gel is a three-way deterrent to problem birds with a proven track record of effectiveness worldwide. Its main deterrent factor is the UV light reflected from the gel, which birds see as a naked flame hazard, hence the name Fire Gel. Birds also hate the slightly peppery smell of the gel and try to avoid any physical contact with it. The gel is preloaded into shallow dishes which are installed at specific spacings to suit the bird pressure of any given location. There are three types of location where birds congregate, which require dishes to be spaced at different intervals for maximum efficiency as based on experience gained over 2 decades. The nesting area is classed as a high pressure area, which requires closely spaced dishes installed in a grid pattern, with the dishes spaced at 15 cm centres, both horizontally and vertically. The night roost area is a medium pressure area where the dishes can be spaced at 20 cm, while the day roost area is a lower pressure area where the spacing can be increased to 25 cm. Before installing the dishes, the area must be cleared of bird droppings and other detritus and sprayed with disinfectants to rid the site of bird pheromones, which could attract birds back. Please see the Insight website for products and guidance on cleaning up the site, along with instructions on installing the dishes.